Decision made is action taken. From the mentor and mentee's perspective, that is an important step forward. Because what you've got to do is you've got to understand what's important and non-urgent so that the decision surrounds those items that gets the action and outcomes that moves those important and non-urgent items forward. Now, this is an important element about mentoring because from a mentor's perspective, supporting the mentee, the mentor is guiding the mentee to figure out what is going to be important and non-urgent that I need to bring into my field of view to be able to look at them, and therefore, as a mentee, ask the mentor questions to be able to round out their understanding. Now, what the mentor is doing is they've got to listen for what the mentee is A, asking about, and B, sizing up for the actions that need to take place. So in many ways, there's a formula that's happening here. There's a situation in learning to get the decision, and the decision learns to the action and the outcomes. So what the mentor is doing to support the mentee and to instill in the mentee to see it for themselves is that the mentee sees the situation and understands the learning to get to the options that might be available to make the decision to take the actions to get the outcomes that are seen as what one needs, wants, desires, dreams. And that's what the mentor is doing to support the mentee. But at the same time, the mentor has to pay attention to their own situation, learn, decide, action, outcomes in contribution to the mentoring arrangement, but also for themselves in serving as a mentor. So as we move forward using this very simple formula, but the formula gives you a way for the mentor to set up for the success of the mentee by presenting it in that way. And I would hope that the mentee is using it to be able to set up the success of the arrangement relationship that the mentee is looking for from the mentor. I wanted to share this with you because of decision made is action taken. Because I do find sometimes when you're working with the mentees and even the mentor themselves, they'll go, oh, yes, this is the decision. And then the action seems to come slowly after the decision is made. And I would encourage mentors and mentees in your arrangement relationship is to really pay attention to this notion of decision made is action taken and seeing where you can improve it for yourselves because, again, it's a two-way trusted relationship. You're learning together, you're educating each other. So leverage it to the best of your abilities. That's what's key here. I have an ask of you. Subscribe, comment, share, like this video, and ring the bell so that you can receive notifications. Also, what follows is some information about one of the latest courses or books that are available to you.